Oh, hello! For all you millions of new viewers out there, I'm super rich. I mean, Willie Seaman. Yes, I am very famous. I mean, awesome. And I make great videos and a lot of money. So you should subscribe right now. So, let's get into the video. What's this? More money? Venezuela! Come take this away! God, I keep finding money everywhere and I'm just so tired of it. So Venezuela! God, servants, am I right? Today, we're gonna eat food. Now I know what you're thinking, Willie. Why would you eat food? It's disgusting. It doesn't even help you live. Because I know. It's terrible for you. But this isn't just any kind of food. This is crickets. Crickets. We're gonna eat crickets. God dang it, money! Oh, I'm so tired. Okay. Okay, crickets. I wonder where they make these things. Okay, so I'm about to eat one. Oh, it's got a head. Wow, that's great craftsmanship. Look, right. It's a cricket. Tastes like popcorn. Okay, let's find out where these things come from. Because I need to buy more. Venezuela! 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 Where do crickets come from? What? Ew! Ew! No. Ew! Crickets come from nature. I am sickened by this. There's not even a warning label on the box. I hate nature!